Hello everyone, today we're building an e-commerce website in Webflow, complete with products, a shopping cart, and checkout functionality. Let's get into it. First, start a new project and select an e-commerce template, or you can start from scratch. In the designer, go to the e-commerce panel on the left. Here you can manage products, categories, and orders. Click on Add Product to create a new item. Fill in the details like name, price, description, and upload product images. Design your product page by dragging in elements like images, text blocks, and Add to Cart buttons. Use the bindings feature to link these elements to your product data. Set up a shopping cart by adding the cart component to your navbar or header. Customize the checkout page to match your site's look and feel. Make sure to include necessary fields and legal disclaimers. To handle payments, go to Project Settings or Site Settings. Click on E-commerce and then click on Payments. And connect a payment gateway like Stripe or PayPal. Test your store by adding a product to the cart and proceeding to checkout. Once everything is tested, publish your site and you're open for business. And that's how you create an e-commerce website in Webflow. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to subscribe and check the description for more resources.